think the advantages of a large university versus a small college is just the opportunity to sort of explore more. With a large university like UMass, for instance, there's so much to do, so many options that you sort of can really define and make your own way. That opportunity just isn't there for smaller colleges. UMass definitely holds lots of workshops for students from across all backgrounds, but to really sort of help the experience of those first-gen students who are interested in, like, all right, I'm the first one in my family, this place is huge, I don't know what I'm doing, I didn't know what I was doing when I got here, help me figure it out. And UMass really does give them the resources to sort of find their voice and help them sort of succeed.